Good morning, everyone. It's a great pleasure and a great honor to be part of IWMMTA's first public event here at Mumbai Wood, as rightly Mr. Gopi said. I'm glad to be the guest speaker here as an organizer. And as an organizer of woodworking shows, I have been personally involved with the industry for more than a decade now. Each day, I witness the growing enthusiasm among industry members in developing the sector and working together to make it more organized. I'm also aware that the industry has faced challenges in formalizing an association. I mean, yes, it is now done, but still. And I'm pleased to see everyone coming together for a common objective at this platform. This is a clear indication that the industry has great potential for the future, and I'm delighted that we as Nürnberg Messe are involved in supporting all your future endeavors, industry endeavors. As organizers of a sectoral trade fairs, we aim to take a thought leadership position, working hand in hand with the industry to support and foster growth. It also gives me immense pleasure to see how every single participant participating in our shows developing the business, and we are committed to contributing more each year in organizing this sector and helping it go global. That's very important for us. Once again, on behalf of Nürnberg Messe, I wish IWMMTA and its members all the best for a bright and successful future. Thank you.